Hey y'all, Annie Williams here with the Move South with Annie team at Beach Realty Group. I am sitting with Max Neubauer at Guild Mortgage. What we want to talk to you about today is COVID. Again, yes, I know you're probably sick of it. However, because we're still here, none of us really thought we'd still be here, but we are. So we want to know what really has changed in the mortgage world. What has changed with the application process? You know, there's so many different things floating around. What's the truth? Can you give us the truth about this?
Sure. So with that, a lot of the stuff is still the same. I mean, mortgage applications are still at record highs right now across the country, thankfully, because of the low interest rates that we're dealing with. But an in-the-box person who's working a standard W-2 job that's unaffected by COVID, nothing's changed for them. Still same normal process. The ones it has changed for are people that were furloughed. You know, so if you were off work for a certain period of time, depending on your profession and the type of pay structure, you will have to be back to work for a certain period of time to prove pay stubs to make sure you are back to the normal income producing that you were prior to the furlough. And as well for self-employed individuals, they have made some changes on those. So for self-employed borrowers, you must either provide a audited P&L from your CPA to prove where you're at year to date is kind of reflective of where you've been years prior, and or provide the most recent bank statements, 2 months of your actual business bank statements, to allow underwriting to assess your deposits into that account to verify that your business is still operational. Because we don't really have a way to know if your business, if you're not a storefront, how your business is doing, if your sales are what they were in years past. So it is a little tougher right now for the self-employed borrowers just for that purpose itself. But overall though, applications are still through the roof. At this point, we've set records year to date of like one of the largest application years in history. So it's still fantastic.
So not impossible.
No, it's not impossible. People do think they can't do it, but as long as you are working and you have great dialogue and conversation with your mortgage lender or myself, we'll be able to make it happen for you.
And as always, if you have a particular question about your scenario, Max is always available and open to discussing that with you. So we appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, and comment on this post. We'd love if you could help us with that. And of course, reach out to us directly if there's any way we can help. Thanks for watching.